everybody, and welcome to the second part of the Beacon Dance Challenge. Hopefully you've been really busy learning and practicing Miss Curtis's dance already, and you've been busy sending in your clips. So if you have, fantastic. And if you haven't, get practicing and send in the clips, because our vision is to create a massive Beacon dance show reel of you guys in action whilst we are at home. So we are going to learn the second part of the phrase today. So, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so we have just finished Miss Curtis's phrase by throwing up a tennis ball, catching it, and then performing a woe. So from this position here, we're going to rotate our arms in a roll from our knees up towards our chest. So we have 2 counts to do that. So we've caught our tennis ball, performed our woe, and then we roll our hands up, 1, 2. On count number 3, our left hand is going to go up into a right angle, and our other hand is going to join to meet it across like so. And you'll hear in the music, it says second. So we're going to create a clock with our arms. So we've gone throw, catch, woe. Rolling our hands up, creating our right angle. From there, our hand is going to come, join our other hand together. We're then going to circle our left hand round and then clap them together in front of our face, squeezing our elbows together. So we have rolling up, 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, 5. On count number 6, your left hand is going to come towards your hip, and what's going to happen is you're going to step your foot in front of your body and transfer your weight. At the same time, your hand, you're going to imagine you're waving a wand in front of your body to come back to the centre. So let's do that from the top. We have 1, 2, 3, knock, 4, clap, 5, 6, and we have 7 and 8. We come back to the centre on count 1. Okay, now you've had a practice, let's try that part to music. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, so the next part of the phrase, we've come back to the centre on 1. We are going to kick out our right foot and we're going to tap it with our hand. So that is on count 2. You're going to place your foot down in front of you, 3, and then with a big strong fist of your left hand, you're going to punch the floor. So we've come back to the centre, 1, we kick, 2, 3, down, 4, we hold, 5. When we perform that action, our focus is going to be down to the floor. The arm action for the next part is just bringing the left arm up towards your chest in a nice strong fist. So we've gone 1, 2, 3, down, 4, hold, 5, and then our hand is going to come up towards our chest and we're going to turn towards the front. So the elbow is going to lead, if you imagine jolting. Good. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From there, our 2 fingers are going to come together. We're going to draw a really nice big love heart, similar to the Stay at Home logo. And we're going to bend our knees softly, come forward and draw our heart. Let's try that next part to music. And 5, 6, 7, centre, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fab, you're doing an absolute great job. We're going to move on to learn the third count of 8, which is fairly easy. So, jumping out into the sumo on 1, then you're going to punch forward with your left hand, and then you're going to switch with your right hand. From there, your left elbow is going to come up towards your chest. It's the same gesture as before, and you're going to jolt your head to the side. So we're going to jump out. Ready? 1, 2, elbow 3, down, 4. We are then going to cross our right foot over our left, jumping it across, and then back out again together. Let's add that on. So we have 1, 2, elbow 3, down, 4, cross, 5, 6, and then we're going to repeat this gesture again, 7, down, 8. part of the phrase because it does jump and turn. So we're going to start by kicking our foot in front of our body, and it is our right foot that kicks. At the same time, our hands are going to throw in front of our body. And you've got 2 counts for that. So 1, 2. The hand position for the next movement, the palms are going to cross together and they're going to come straight above your head. Nice, strong and extended, squeezing your ears together. So we have 1, 2, 3. However, once we place our hands above our head, we're actually going to jump it to the right. So we have 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. From there, we're going to continue our rotation towards our right, 1 half turn, and jump our feet out. So let's add that together. 1, 2, up, 3, down, 4. One more time. We have 1, 2, 3, down, 4. Then we have 5, 6. So our hands are going to come in this angular position here. So it's the left hand on top, and then it will switch. But we're going to perform a double and then a single. At the same time, the back foot, which is your left foot, is going to come half a turn towards the front. 1, 2, and then we do another half rotation and finish there. The counts again, we have 1, 2, up, 3, down, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, 8. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, 8. Okay guys, so that just about brings us to the end of our 4 counts of 8 today. Let's practice putting it together, see how we get on. So from the top, don't forget we're rolling, and then we've got our tick-tock, using our wand, back to the centre, click, round. You've got this, let's give it a go. Are you ready guys? 3 attempts, 4, and you catch your own. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and throw. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Okay, so that just about summarises our learning for today. Well done for joining in and participating. Please don't forget to send your clips in to Miss Curtis so they may be put into our grand masterpiece. Remember, where possible, please perform your dance phrases outside, wearing suitable and appropriate clothing, and make sure your parents send them in to us. Avoid all social media channels. I can't wait to see how well you're doing. So, for now, it's bye from Mrs. Thomas. Keep safe, stay home.